I want to talk to you about a new product that we brought in here at Excellent Supply. It's the Low Pro fan. So stick around and I'll run through some of the things that make this fan special. So why consider a fan? Maybe you've been a fan of fans, or maybe you're not a fan of fans, but an air mover on your truck can certainly help with drying the carpet, whether you're doing Encap cleaning or hot water extraction cleaning. Either way, great to have as an additional item to bring into the building, and that's why we went with this small lightweight fan that you can easily carry in and put onto the carpet and help to move the air so the carpet will dry quicker. Now keep in mind, here's why you need a fan for two reasons. For one, for safety. It has a little bit of noise to it, so people are aware that the carpet is wet, so that they may not be as inclined to want to walk on your wet carpet. It kind of makes a warning sound. This is a quiet fan, but it's audible. Secondly though, and the primary reason, is that as the moisture comes out of the carpet, it begins to fill the air above the carpet. When we put an air mover in the room, it begins to distribute the air that's close to the carpet, and as it does that, now the moisture-laden air above the carpet will begin to move, so more moisture can come out of the carpet. So it's not like it's going to blow the carpet dry, but by moving the air through the building, it allows more moisture to dissipate from the carpet and helps the carpet to dry more quickly. So that's a reason why you might want to consider adding an air mover to your carpet cleaning, whether it's Encap, hot water extraction, regardless, or if you're doing water damage restoration. These are really practical, affordable, lightweight fans, something you might want to consider adding to your set of equipment that you bring into your buildings. So now let's talk about the features of the Low Pro fan from Excellent Supply. To start off with, the rotational molding is very durable, give you years of dependable usage. It has a 1/4 horsepower motor, variable speed, and at its maximum setting it's going to put out 1200 plus CFM of air volume. So as I turn this around, you can see what's on the back. We have an hour meter. If we zoom in on that, we've got an hour meter. We got a couple of more plugs so that you can daisy chain it together, and we've got the variable speed setting here on the fan motor. So to start off on max, here we hear the fan starting up, and you'll notice that it's not terribly loud, and it can be dialed down to a lower setting as well. So even at the highest setting, it's not putting out a lot of sound. That fan feels good, by the way. You can stack 10 of these units on top of each other. It's a 1.9 amp, so you can daisy chain 5 of them together real easily on one circuit. Has 1-year warranty and 5-year on the housing. One other nice little feature, besides the handle like you'd expect that you can carry it in, we can also take the cord and wrap it around the housing of the fan like you see me doing here. So it's a really practical fan to take in on your jobs and make it a little quicker to get some drying and some air movement as you go about your Encap cleaning, hot water extraction, or restoration cleaning. So thanks for watching this episode of Encap TV. Hopefully we can help you max your Encap here. And please hit the like, subscribe, or comment below. Thanks, and stay tuned for the next episode of Encap TV.